Hello, this is JAYFIX Designs. We are on day 6 of our project, so today we are at the climax of the project and we will be doing several things. The first thing we'll be dealing with is the lighting. We are going to make sure that the lighting has been done in conclusion. We will also be testing up the system to make sure that they are working properly. The antenna system, the speaker system, and also we'll be doing some paint touch-ups here and there to make sure that the dents has been eliminated. At the same time, we will be doing some deco. Once we are done with everything to do with the fittings, we will now do a thorough cleaning. So that is for today. Tomorrow, as we hand over the project, stay tuned so that you may see the final product of the project. See you then.